So, hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel PTech Insight. So, today we are going to perform vulnerability web exploitation through Burp Suite, and the whole thing we are going to do with the supervision of Vishal. So, hey Vishal, please introduce yourself with our audience. A little introduction, please, if you don't mind.
Yeah, okay. Thank you for calling me here. Right. So I'm Vishal. I'm a trainer in Wing Academy, and I'm the developer also. Okay, I creating the number of videos also on the YouTube channels. So nothing much about me. You can explore me on Google also. Just search for the Google Vishal Agmare. Okay, and the hacker. Okay. So without wasting the time, just let's go with Akanksha. So she's teaching you something like web application exploitation, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes, Vishal, you are right, absolutely.
Akanksha, please continue. I'm here.
Okay, so guys, everything we are going to do with on the supervision of Vishal, and we are not going to perform anything on the production side. We are going to exploit from vulnerability assessment to the exploitation part. The whole thing we are going to perform on the lab tested scenario, that is free. That is that website that is not in the production, and we are not doing this to cause harm anything or any website, or with any wrong intention. We are just doing just for the security purpose, to enhance the security and for the learning part only. So Vishal, and now I'm just going to share my screen, and now you are just going to guide us how to do from scratch. Hey, is my screen visible? Vishal, can you please confirm once?
Yes, it's visible. Okay. To one,
Okay. Yeah.
is it possible to turn on your camera, right?
Right
Because
now,
because who is watching,
um,
they may be getting what you are talking about, like that. See, like interaction will be more
okay.
than.
Yeah, you are absolutely right. So it might take, please allow me 2 to 3 minutes to do this, because as right now it's around 11 o'clock, and I have just switched off my on lights and all. So please allow me 2 to 3 minutes only, okay? Hey Vishal, hi.
Mm, okay.
Can you please switch on your camera just for the better interaction?
Yeah, I think so. Your internet is not strong, but all right.
My internet is working well. My internet is working perfectly.
Okay, might be my is not good. Okay.
Yeah, my internet is working fine, perfectly.
Okay, so let's start today's session like on web exploitation.
Yeah, we can. So here I have opened my screen is visible to you, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So this is Bob Suite. That through that we are just going to perform web exploitation. So now Vishal, please guide us for the whole activity.
Sorry.
Uh, Now please guide us for the whole activity. I have just opened the Bob Suite and which side we are going to exploit and with the steps, along with the steps.
Okay, I am going to doing that all stuff or what? Okay. Okay, fine. Start then. Which website you want to exploit?
You just suggest us, you are recording, we are doing everything under your supervision.
Okay, so we are just selecting a random website and attack on them, right?
Um, yeah, random website, but not that is in production phase. That is much more suitable for the lab part, like BWAP or something, whatever you say.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's consider as a copyright strike also. Okay, whether
Okay.
you getting the copyright strike. Okay, when you getting the copyright strike, whether you using the any private website, for example, Facebook.com or like that.
Any
Okay, so
which website, please?
any like a private website.
Private website that is in production part.
Yes, the production part. Okay,
Okay.
let take the website. The name is like Taste PHP, right? Search on the
Uh,
website on the browser. Taste PHP.
Text dot php. Hmm.
No, taste T E S T
Oh, test
PHP.
dot php. Okay.
Taste PHP
This.
only. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Test php. Hmm. This one, eccentrics.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
How to hack this website now? Any idea?
So we are going to do this activity through Bob Suite via discovering some list of vulnerabilities.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do it then. Okay. Click on the
So
sign in. There is a
sign
sign
in
up button.
part button, sign up button. Where
Do one thing. There is a category, browse category part on the first.
there's one category.
Click anywhere, category or browse category.
Yeah. No. Post painting, sketches, graffiting,
Click anywhere.
poster.
Hmm.
Okay. Now.
Okay. Now click on the URL.
This one. Okay.
URL, huh? Okay, so this is the SQL injection parameter. List product
Cat,
dot php and cat equal to one. It's a SQL injection parameter or the SQL
so
parameter.
ये list product dot php, don't it's a L, that one vulnerability, like
L
LYV, what?
LFA vulnerability.
Yeah, LFI vulnerability because it's showing, because in the URL it's showing directory.
No, you can say like that also.
Hmm.
But PHP is a parameter. Supposing they're asking for to open any web pages,
Hmm.
the page
Hmm.
number one. So if you change the number now, then again that another page will be open.
Hmm.
Okay, those
Hmm.
belongs to the second page. So here is a mystery
Okay.
page, universe page, and the
Hmm.
shore page. So
Hmm.
type there two instead of one.
Uh, okay, two. So this is SQL injection.
Yes, yes.
Can you brief a little more about SQL injection to our audience, please?
SQL injection means what? You are, you if you're creating the website. So the
Hmm.
website is created, which you can see on the front side. There is a number of coding language like C, CSS,
Hmm.
okay, HTML, Java, okay, and PHP. But obviously the front side want to connect to the backend for login purpose. If
Hmm.
admin do the changes on the website, there
Hmm.
must be at least one admin. How do if I'm just logging on the web page as a Vishal user and the 123 per password, and
Hmm.
suppose website getting login. So
Hmm.
there is no any authentication or authorization. Anybody can come and log in as any user and password. The authentication must be verified. For where that verified? Verified in the backend. So
Hmm.
backend we use a SQL, MySQL database, where
Hmm.
is your user and password are stored. Okay.
Any
Now,
documentary or anything that is stored in database.
yes, that is stored in the backend database, which is
Hmm.
secure and safe. Safe. So
Hmm.
basically, a hacker wants that user and the password for login. Once hacker
Hmm.
getting the user and password of that admin user, he
Hmm.
can log in. She can log in as a
Hmm.
hacker,
Hmm.
and they hacker will change the page of your website. So
Okay.
basically, they need a username which is stored in the backend. So whether they found the SQL parameter vulnerability on the website, they can
Uh,
find the user and password from the backend. So
okay.
to access the backend by normal user, it is not possible. Not possible, actually. Not possible.
Hmm.
Very critical to reset the backend as a normal
Hmm.
user.
Hmm.
Only that admin can do this. But
Hmm.
now normal user can do by doing SQL injection. So a hacker will find the SQL parameter on website, okay, like that. Something equal to some numbers. Whether they found the number, it means there might be SQL vulnerability. You are going to inject some code after that one. And that SQL code will inject in a database, and using that code you can hack that user and the password for the login. You can get the user and password.
Okay. Okay. So how we will recognize that this specific parameter is can be SQL injection, like cat is equals to 1. Okay, so there was cat is equals to 1. What if it was cat is equals to 2, or what if in the scenario if there is any other symbol other than the equals to, like ampersand, asterisk, or any other symbol. So how we will recognize this SQL injection part? Through vulnerability assessment or via some tool, or how manually? That's my question.
Manually means what? That is not important here. There
Uh,
may be something ID. Okay, there may
no,
be
I'm
something.
just want to know how. Yeah, I want to know like how we will recognize like this specific URL or anything. We can have like SQL injection. We can have SQL injection. Is it only limited to the URL part or something else?
Okay.
Yeah.
So look, this website URL is okay, but
Hmm.
as your questions, the cat, the cat, this thing that maybe the different, maybe there is ID, maybe there is something else,
Hmm.
but something equal to something number it is must for the SQL injection.
Anything that is equals to anything like equals to is a representative that we can this for an instant we can assume like if something is equals to that is connected with the equal to part, then we can assume might be it can be a SQL injection vulnerability, right?
No, as equal to means there must be number at least. I said if cat equal
Okay.
to number, ID equal to
Okay.
number, XYZ no
Oh,
equal to number. Equal to
okay.
means
I
what? You
mean numeric value.
are numericals. So instead of that number, you can put your injections code.
Okay. Okay, so this SQL injection only performed manually or via any tool we can as perform as well.
There is a tools. Okay, SQL map tool and so many tools are there. You can use the
Okay,
tool.
so
Right.
then that tools will perform SQL injection automatically, and for the manual purpose we can write 1, 2, 3, 4. As right now I have replaced one via two and just hit enter, and this painting get opened.
Yeah, you can check here. Like, but to change the number is not mandatory for SQL injection. You
Hmm.
feeling sleepy?
No. No, actually, it's no. I'm not feeling sleepy. Actually, I'm a little tired because it's 11 o'clock now, and I'm waked up since at 7 o'clock. Then office, then lots of activity, and now I am on live, so that's why I'm a little. But I'm not feeling sleepy. I'm just a little tired.
Okay.
Yeah.
Look, this is a very lengthy process of SQL injection. Okay.
Hmm.
So just
Okay.
complete the process first, and then
Hmm.
we will go for the sleep ride. Okay. You sleep at
Okay.
Delhi. I will here in a moment.
Why not? Actually, there is a very awesome weather and the best weather we can say in Delhi right now. So there is raining outside and a very beautiful atmosphere and environment. Like right now, we delights are getting right now. So
Okay. So look,
yeah.
this is the the number two number or whether you change that two number and the
Hmm.
type there that doesn't matter. Just
Hmm.
make sure whatever the number you got now, just
Hmm.
apply the inverted comma after that number and check whether they showing the any error, SQL error. It means you can hack that website. Just single inverted comma. Yeah, double inverted comma will be work, but at least first do the single inverted comma.
Single inverted comma. Yeah. Enter.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So it's showing us error. It's showing us error.
Yes, it's showing the error. It means what? This having the SQL injections. You can do the SQL injection,
Hmm.
right? Next step is what we just recognize SQL vulnerability is there. Now do one more thing. Actually database created on
Hmm.
a database name. So might be there is two database or three database. I don't know. We don't know. Find that database name. Why? We are looking for the user
Sorry,
and a
sorry. Can you You are not audible properly. Can you please repeat two or three lines that you called? Yes.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you are actually, you are not, yeah, right now you are audible, but before this you were not audible. So can you please repeat from the database part, after getting the error, what we can do, and for the database part, you were not audible that time.
So database means what? Your user and a password are stored in a database, correct? Okay.
Right.
Your So now you
Hmm.
are looking for that user and a password. But now how? Where
Hmm.
actually this data user or the user and a password stored? So actually in the backend environment, database created by the database name, and there may be the two database name, three
Hmm.
database, or say many. So first find that particular
Right.
database where you like
Hmm.
suppose key user
Hmm.
and password will be stored. So after that,
Hmm.
in the database there are the tables,
Hmm.
one table or three or four, some mini tables may be there. So
Yeah.
let's find the tables. How many tables is there? The name of that table. In between that table, you must look for the users related table, like users or admin or something login like that. So that table may be
Okay.
the like login table or admin table like. Just find the
Hmm.
table name and find the what are they in that table, like the columns and the rows in that table.
Hmm.
So your user and the password is stored in that table. So now we have you using Kali Linux, no?
Yeah. Right now this is Kali Linux, but it's not the purple part.
Okay,
The
so
normal Kali
copy that
Linux.
URL. Copy that URL.
Okay, Control A, Control C now.
Click on terminal.
Okay, yeah.
Type there SQL
Okay.
map
SQL map.
without space.
Do you want to Control C? Clear. SQL map. Hmm.
SQL map.
Now
Okay. Now again up arrow. SQL map space hyphen hyphen URL.
SQL map URL.
Am I audible?
Now, yeah, you
Hyphen
are.
hyphen URL and your URL name.
SQL hyphen URL now.
Hyphen URL. Type the URL and then space and then that string in double quote.
Okay. Wait, sorry. URL space this.
Yes,
Is
and
it
double quote.
correct?
Yes, yes,
Double quote the URL, whole URL.
yes. And
Okay. Hit enter.
no, remove that the A percentage and 27. Remove that percentage and 27.
Okay. Okay, we are removing this percentage in 27 because I think this is miscorrect, by mistakenly get typed.
No, no. That is
Okay,
means
hit enter.
URL encoding of your inverted comma.
Okay, control C again. Now,
It's okay, no? It's working now.
I
Okay.
need to put and hit enter.
Yeah, you can.
Hit enter.
Yes, yes, go ahead.
Okay. Testing connection to the target URL. History test show get the parameter cat might be injectable. Tests show that the get parameter cat might be vulnerable to cross-site scripting attack.
Okay,
Okay.
yes,
So cross-site scripting attack is a name of attack, and we are or on the cross-site scripting we do SQL injection.
right. Type there Y and
Okay.
enter.
Okay. Why? Why?
And enter.
Okay.
No and enter. Okay.
Now.
That's okay, done already.
Mm, yes.
No, no, N.
Get parameter factors n. Okay. Back to the console
So what
part.
happened here? You just
I don't
tasted
know.
and you just tasting there, right? And it found the website is vulnerable. Now your first target is what? You want to find the database name. So
So
again,
this is we did this only to search for a vulnerability that this vulnerability is either vulnerable or not.
yeah, you can skip that step. Okay, it is not mandatory actually because you just hit
Okay.
that. That's why I'm not talking like okay, fine, control and type another thing. So it's okay. It is a first basically part. It's showing
Hmm.
is a vulnerable or not.
Hmm.
Next step is what? Find the database name. How? Again, up arrow, type that same, string. This arrow, space and hyphen hyphen dbs. Type
Hyphen
space,
hyphen dbs.
yes, enter, hit enter. It means you finding the database name.
Okay. So here is the featuring database name. Okay, I'm highlighting this for our audience, so it get easier for them to understand. Okay, I'm unable to. What's this? Wait. Okay, what's this? Going. Okay, so this one is the accurate, and this one is information scheme.
Select
Okay,
information schema.
how?
Okay, select means or just copy paste information schema. Just copy it. Double click and copy.
Hmm.
Again, up arrow one. Now
Now again,
remove now that
ag-
dbs.
okay.
Remove that dbs. Type
Hmm.
hyphen capital D.
Hmm.
Okay, then space and that database name.
Oops, by mistake. Wait, sorry. Where's the cursor? Hmm.
You just hit enter, na? Wait,
Yeah, I do.
type up arrow, press up arrow.
Hmm.
Okay. So now the database name is no, but what about the tables inside that information schema? Find the
Hmm.
tables by tapping the hyphen hyphen tables command after that information schema. Just keep a space between schema and then type the hyphen hyphen tables.
Mm, hyphen table. So right now we are getting only a overview of the database, and via entering the table we get the full table part.
Yes.
Okay. Now,
Enter.
hmm. Okay, this is the table. Row and column detail. Administration role, application role.
So actually,
This.
here we didn't get anything else in like sensitive information. Now find the tables from the appendix database. So where we got two database name. In between that, we selected information schema one. So select the first one.
Okay, I'm just searching for the context where it was written. Um, where is written?
Up,
Yeah.
up, up, up.
I think we're also sleeping, feeling sleepy.
What?
We're also feeling sleepy now.
No, no, no. मैं मेरा वॉइस आ रही क्या वहाँ पे वैसे?
No, I thought you were yawning.
Mm-hmm.
I understand with the hectic day, it get a little difficult to attend the late night sessions. But I'm very grateful that you just took some time from your daily schedule, and we are just doing this session. Make it possible. Thank you.
Same to you.
Thanks. Maybe enter articles, cards, cats, featured, guestback, pictures, producers, and users. Okay,
Okay.
these are the things we're getting.
Users is the tables. Where is your data information? Everything is there.
So how we can go deeper in this table?
Yes, user database is user is a tables. Now again press the same key up arrow.
So how we get to know this user is the table like back and part? Is there written anything else?
No, no. I already told you na you have to find the table like between them like users, login or admin, everything like that.
Hmm.
So developers are already creating such kind of tables where they put the users and passwords. So
Hmm.
users tables is the tables where maybe
Okay.
users information is stored.
Okay. So now what we can do?
Up arrow, remove that tables, type hyphen capital T,
Hmm. Users.
tables, and find the columns from that. Only capital hyphen single, not double.
Okay. Uh,
Single hyphen, capital T, users, space, hyphen hyphen columns.
space hyphen
Hyphen
hyphen. No.
columns,
C O
columns only.
L
Columns.
N S.
Yes. User and the pass, uname and the pass. It's a your
Hmm.
username and a password. So we want that uname and the pass. How to find?
Hmm.
Type again up arrow.
Hmm.
Remove that columns. Type there only hyphen capital C. Type uname, comma, a pass.
You name, comma,
Pass.
pass.
Space hyphen dump 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 space hyphen dump enter.
Why we are using hyphen dump instead of anything
For
else?
the finding that.
Okay. So every time we need to search our finding in this particular thing.
Yes, the username is a test and the password is test. Login using that user and a password.
Hmm.
Click on the sign up.
Where this? And this one?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
no, it's showing. Sorry, it's showing. Username and the password. Test. Now, where's the sign in? Sign up. Now, test. Test. अरे यार test. Okay, let's see. Login. Let's see.
Yes, you are login.
Now it's logged in, and these are the details like name, credit card number, mail ID, the whole scenario. What happened?
Done. You are
Yeah.
login now there. You just hack that website.
Okay, so we did via SQL injection tool. Hello?
Yes, yes.
We did this via SQL injection tool. So
Correct.
I yeah, okay. So I can make this a little brief for our audience as a conclusion and as a summary part. So what we did here, we just did search for the vulnerability via manual assessment, like we search for the n number of link, and once we find out the cross-site scripting vulnerability, on that we can perform SQL injection part. So we just copied the link and search in we just copied the link from there and search for the and try to searching for the vulnerability, because as per the manual vulnerability assessment, we can just check that this particular link is open and it may have SQL injection part. So for that scenario, we just started doing this. So instead of using burp suites, we just moved towards for the SQL map part, where we searched for this login ID and credential in the email part.
Correct.
So yeah, so after this, there's a little more steps. So you may get these things little more understandable in our n number of our featuring videos. So till yet we did what we did. We just searched database from the website that is associated with it, but not visible for every single person. So we did this. So anything else you want to share with us regarding this vulnerability?
Sorry.
So anything else you want to convey to our audience regarding the SQL vulnerability?
No, actually. This vulnerability is nothing but you define your database actually. Okay.
Hmm.
So if you want to protect from the hacker to your no database, so you
Hmm.
can protect your website by sanitizing the PHP code, doing the routing, the
Hmm.
URL. Nobody want to see that URL parameter like equal to number, PHP or cat equal to number. So whether they found on your website, this is the number which is hackable for the SQL injection, they can hack. They can find the admin password easily. So better to remove that URL string using the routing technique, routing the concept.
Okay.
We can do this. Simple.
Okay.
It's a
Okay.
remediation.
So what we can do for the remediation part? Can you please repeat a little more with but fire brief?
Remediation part is means what? Just remove that URL as a developer. Just remove that URL. What is
Hmm.
this URL? Like something ID that equal to
Hmm.
something. Whether your websites look like having the such kind of URL, try to
Hmm.
remove that URL. Okay, remove that URL. That is the remediation.
Okay. Okay. So for the today's session, we are just going to work over this single vulnerability for this process scripting, and in the next session, going to continue this web exploitation part as recently Vishal told us. This is not a 1 or 2 day activity. This is the daily the technology going to change and going innovative for the daily purpose. So as per that, we also have to make us um, um, available and curious about the work to get to understand. So further vulnerabilities along with the web application part will convey cover this in another session, and all session will go online.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
So anything else, Vishal, you want to share to our audience right now?
No, no, no. It's enough for
Okay.
today. Exploration.
Okay. So I'm just leaving this meeting now. Okay, guys, thank you so much, and please do watch our channel. And soon we will publish our new video. That would be the second part of this. Um, yeah, this would be must be the second part of the application part for the miss. Okay, okay, Vishal.
Yes, Akanksha.
Okay, thank you, Vishal. Thank you so much for attending and enlightening with your knowledge. Okay, thank you so much. I'm just stop sharing my screen here.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you so much once again, and I'm just leaving the meeting. Okay, thank you so much, Vishal.
Don't
Thanks,
leave it.
everyone.
Don't leave the meeting, right? Just close that live streaming. End the live streaming first.
There, go your live streaming, your video, edit, rename. Only these options are available right now.
Stop. Stop the live streaming.
And broadcast. It's written over here. It's end broadcast. Now click over this.
Yes, yes.
Okay, and broadcast.